Happy Monday, Blue Jays. There's just a couple quick things I want to talk to you guys about. First off is remember that on our class website, which you can find at the top of our Google Classroom page, you can scroll all the way to the bottom to find our student tracker. So on here, when you click on it, you can find your lunch number, and then you see who did their work. But there's two quick things that I want to say about this tracker. Is one, this tracker is something that Miss Harmon and I have to go and fill in who did their work. So it will not be 100% correct or updated until the following morning. So say if Estrella, she already did her CKLA today, but I have not yet marked it complete under CKLA. It will not be done until tomorrow morning, then I will mark it complete. Another thing that I want to say about this tracker is that starting this week, Miss Harmon and I are going to be a little stricter about what we mark as complete. So say if you do EL and you don't answer all the questions, then that will not be complete. You will not get credit. It's super important that you're not only starting or doing your work, but that you're actually doing every single problem and trying your best. Also on CKLA today, we introduced our new spelling words. So you will have 20 spelling words, and these words have three main spelling patterns. The first is GE, says J. The second is DGE, says J. And the third is TION, says shun. Also remember the tricky word Europe is a proper noun, so it has a capital letter. It's important that you guys are practicing these words on your own because it's not this Friday because we don't have school, but the next Friday you will have a spelling test on these words. Another cool thing is this awesome new website that Miss Harmon and I found where we can check to see what you guys are doing when you're on your computer. So right now I can see that Laylee here is on Prodigy. I can see that Darbin is doing his work for Miss Kaufman. And I see that Pedro is on iStation. So Miss Harmon and I can send you messages and chat. Pretend if somebody was on the wrong website or if they were on YouTube instead of doing their schoolwork. Miss Harmon and I can see that and send a message to tell you to fix it, to get back and be doing what you're supposed to be doing. CKLA update for you guys. Right now we are tied with CU about how many people have done their exit ticket. But we all know we're a little bit behind mine. So make sure you guys get on and do your CKLA today in order to win the special prize of Miss Harmon and I dancing for you guys on Friday. Last but not least, I've noticed a lot of people so far have missed this problem on their exit ticket for math today. So I want to help us think about this. I know whenever I'm doing a word problem, I can act it out to help me. So Jazzy was jumping rope. She jumped 10 times on her sidewalk. I also know that tape diagrams can help me understand a problem. So I wrote an S for sidewalk. Oops, there we go. I wrote an S for sidewalk and then the number 10 because I know she jumped 10 times on the sidewalk. Then it says, and doubled that amount of times. So to double, that we know what doubles are. So the double of 10 plus 10 is 20. Double is twice the amount. Twice the amount of 10 is 20. So I know she doubled the amount of times she jumped on her driveway. So on her driveway, 10 doubled is 20. We are trying to find how many times did she jump on her driveway and her sidewalk all together. So I know I'm not comparing the two. I'm not trying to find the difference. I want to know how many times she jumped on her sidewalk and her driveway all together. So think about what number sentence would match that problem. Good job, Blue Jays. Happy Monday.